Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because it's baby's second collab with a YouTuber. Yay! I'm very excited to be collabing with the one and only beautiful, amazing, creative, like awesome, The Stitches. So we kind of reached out to each other on Instagram and we're like, hey, let's do something. And I was like, yeah, let's do something. So we came up with the idea, and like, I don't know if it's still a trend, but you know when like people on YouTube and in general were like doing mystery boxes, so you'd either buy them on eBay or you'd, I don't know, get them off the black mystery box market. But then there was also like YouTubers would swap boxes, so they'd put stuff in it and send it to each other. Well, that's what we're doing today. So I have put stuff in a box for her and shipped it out to her, and she's done the exact same, and it has arrived, it is here, and it's super adorable. Let's get into the box. So it arrived the other day, and for safety things for the box, we both decided to wrap it in like brown paper and then ship it out, just so that like, cause you know, I have a fear in my head that if you paint our box, or the box looks cool in the post things, people are gonna be like, oh, what's in there? So I'm like, I decided to stay on the safe route and put paper over it. She did the same. However, I've taken the paper off of that, and look how cute it is. She taped freaking sparkles all the way around the box, and it's pink. It's pink. I thought it was so flippin' cute. It's absolutely adorable. It's got stars and moons and shiny, and yes honey, pay attention to that packaging detail. Hashtag brand. Alright, now because it's like really sealed, we have trusty scissors here. Here we go. Oh yes, okay, good. I was like, is it cliche to put a letter in? And I'm like, I'm gonna do it anyway. So I put a letter in her box, and it looks like she did one too. Oh my god! This is so cute! I'm opening up to her artwork. I love her artwork so much. Okay. Wait, is there 2 cards? Oh my god, do I have to read both of them? Wait, okay. Read first. Okay, very important. And look, there's little pusheen stickers on it. This is so cute! Okay, it's a 2-pager. Here we go. So it says cheeky at the top. Hello, I really hope you like everything in your surprise box. I tried to make everything extra cute for you. The first thing you will notice is some fan art. It's based on an Insta post, and I thought I would draw it in sort of my art style. My girls are usually not as proportional. I also included a mixtape to listen to whenever you feel mad or sad or whatever, really lol. Before I say this, like, this is not her writing. I just was not good at reading things in class, ever. Should have heard me play Romeo and Juliet or something else. Under the tissue paper is mostly candy, as well as some specially wrapped pieces. Open these last. Then we go over to the next page. I've also included some designs from my shop and a handmade ring that I typically include in orders over $50 from my Etsy. They are mostly about self-care and feminism. I really love your channel, and I hope you enjoy these gifts. I look forward to your box as well. Enjoy, Catherine. P.S. I apologize for my terrible handwriting. You'd think an artist would have easier handwriting to read. No, okay, it's just me. It's not your handwriting. Like, it was legible. I can't read in public, or thou for out there Romeo, but thou with these upon thy knowledge. Anyways, okay. So, oh my gosh, so this is a mixtape? I'm gonna have to listen to that. It's got all the songs on it. That's so cute, oh my gosh. I love this. I want to know what the CD looks like. Ah, it's so cute. That's adorable, oh my god. Oh, that's me. That's so cute. And she signed it and everything. I'm gonna put this up on my wall. She drew one of my pictures from Instagram. That's so cute. I wish I could art so I could have sent her one. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be up on my wall. I love this so much, and it's sparkly. She's so sweet. I love the zines this girl does. It's so cute. Okay, so let's go through the first one. So there's like a little... Her art is so beautiful and original, and I love that. Like, can we please talk about this for a second? It's so cute. There's so much, like, I just love it. The emotion. It's like, it's raw, it's original, and I love it. Yes, okay, this, preach it. My emotions are valid. Oh, this was on her Instagram post. This is where she took Polaroids and then took pictures of them. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. So she'd take Polaroid pictures and then she put them in a little zine. And I think that's absolutely adorable. Can we please? That's so cute. Ah, that's a pushin. As a llama. The message in these is just so sweet. Treat yourself, loving yourself is radical. Oh, please, just this entire thing. I can't get over how much this is really important. Like, this is gonna be so uplifting when I'm feeling terrible about certain, like, parts of my body, which is like a real deep thing to go on about, you know? Because, you know, beauty standards and magazines and all that, but like, reading this is really helpful, and like, love yourself. Okay, this one's a private one. I'll read that later, but you know what? It's super cute, but I'm not gonna show it because we're gonna keep it PG. But it's really cute and she did a good job, and I'm sure she's got it on her Etsy, so if you want this one, it's called Feeling Myself. So you can go check it out for your cheeky selves. But this was the one I'm really most excited about. It says kawaii right on it, and it's got magical sprinkles on it, and I think that's super cute. This is so cute, oh my gosh. It's like a mini story about her. Okay, I'm like, okay, the last page. I am soft, I am fierce, I believe in myself. Please. This is so cute, oh my god. Okay, look again, her drawings are so cute. Look. Okay, oh yes, we got some candies. Cannot go anywhere without some candies here. Oh man, taffy. I don't think I've ever tried these before. We're gonna try some candy. I don't really have a lot of toffee. That smells good. Mmm. Hashtag turned into a mukbang? This isn't gum, right? I can swallow this, right? This might have been a bad idea. It's gonna take me forever. Okay, I've got it down to a point where I can talk and eat at the same time. Hashtag mukbang, woo! Alright. Oh! This is resin, I think. I think it's resin. Look at this! It's a little ring. I'm gonna wear this all the time. Release everything. Look at how freaking kawaii I am now. Boop! Okay. Boop! Oh my god, no! These are the greatest thing ever! Okay, I'm so happy right now. My boss came back from the States and she brought a suitcase full of these home and we all just ate them. I'm gonna cherish these. But first on top was these. Gummy candies. Okay, I'm gonna use scissors. You know, like a civilized person this time. Let's go for a red one. Ooh. Actually, that's really good. What are these? Oh! Okay, so this would be, cherries, I think. I don't normally like cherries. I don't know whether I should save these for later, because I know what they are. They're little animal crackers, you know, like the pink and white ones with sprinkles. These things are my life. I'm like, my coworkers are gonna shoot me if they find out I have them. They're so good. Oh! Minnie Mouse jelly beans. I'm gonna get so, like, sugar rushed high. Berry blue birthday cake. These are the good flavors, yay! These are gonna be good. Okay. I'm like just opening everything up right now. It's fine, you know what? Girl likes to eat. Alright, so we're getting to the bottom of the box here. We've got some specially wrapped ones. They're Crayola Fraser blocks. Are you cheesing me? That's so cute. Oh my god. And these will go perfect with my Trolls lunchbox. And you know what? I have a Trolls lunchbox. Leave me alone. These are so cute. Oh my god. Ah, oh my gosh. I can give one to my mom. My whole family, because there's only 4 of us. So I can have the pink one, my mom, my brother, my dad. Not that they'd want Crayola lunch things. That's so flippin' cute. I can also just have these as little statues in my room. These are so flippin' cute. Oh my god. Hello. Crayola is like the cutest aesthetic, and I feel like I really like Crayola right now. I have Crayola socks. I have Crayola freezer block thingies for my Trolls lunchbox. I'm so excited. What? Oh my gosh! She got me a freaking eyeshadow palette. Who is this girl? What the heck? Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Those colors are so pretty. The blues are so... They have cheesy names. I'm so excited. So we got Fireflies, Unicorn, Tears, Wizard World, Once Upon a Time, Fairy On, It's Magic, Off to Fantasyland, Dragonflies, Fairy Wand, Pixie Dust, Ice Castle, Treasure Island, Mermazing, Cinderella, True Love's Kiss, Genie in a Palette. Wait, is this like for like Disney? That's so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Ah, she's too nice. Ooh. Cakewalk, multicolored tissue. Yes, tissue confetti. Oh my god, okay, I just had a genius thought. Okay, so this picture up on my wall, I'm gonna frame it and then put this in the frame with this. My mind has been blown. I love this so much. Okay, that's going together because I'm gonna craft later with that. This feels like a manga. Yeah, I'm a nerd. It's fine. Oh my god, is it a manga? Girl, since we're both big old weebs, I wanted to get you some manga. This one is one of my very favorites since it would have taken too long to order it. This is my personal copy. Treat her with love. She sent me her own manga! Oh my god! No! That's too nice! Why? I will treat it with utmost respect, and now I'm gonna send you like 10 of my favorite ones. Wait, there's more on the back. Also, an artist trading card to use as a bookmark. What? This girl is too sweet. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Okay. Oh, the art style is so cute. Okay, well, we have a special place for this. Let's go, shall we? Let's go over to the corners of my manga shelf. And let's put it somewhere nice and special where it's not gonna get crushed because I have to treasure this. And then one day I'll send her one of my favorites back with this one so that I don't feel like Anyways, okay, where can this go? Let's move my lightsaber. And then let's put my lightsaber down here. And for now it can go between my Toradora stuffy and my elephant stuffy, and then I will read it later on tonight. Yay! Oh my god. Okay, she's too sweet. What the heck? This was so cute. Oh my gosh. I love this collab. I hope her and I get to meet eventually one day or like collab again. I'm so happy right now. She's so flippin' sweet. Oh my god. Sending me her own manga. That's what's really getting me right now. She sent me her personal copy. As a fellow weeb and nerd enthusiast, the books that you buy and read are really precious to you. So like, I know there's like swap, trop, shoppy dop, sop thop sale thingies on Facebook where you can like trade and all that. I'm like, I've done that before, but like I wasn't trading my own books. I was getting other books and giving other people money. So like, to be able to like give up one of your own books and not just put in a letter saying I recommend this, that really means a lot. Like, I will treasure this book. Like, I'm not gonna treat it poorly. Like, I love books. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I am like beyond thankful for what she sent me, I'm so happy. She's such a lovely person. Please just, yeah, go check out her channel. I'll leave it in the description. I'll have it at the end of the video. The stitches, like, she's so lovely and a kawaii queen. Please just go give her some smooches, go give her comments and loves, and go subscribe because it's definitely worth it and she's absolutely amazing. Well, that is all I have for you today, and make sure to go check out my Instagram and my Twitter for more outside this. And I'll see you next time. Bye!